Welcome, I'm so glad you're here. This guided meditation is designed to help you ease anxiety, calm your thoughts, and come back to the present moment. Life can sometimes feel like too much, too fast, too loud, too heavy. If you're feeling overwhelmed, unsettled, or simply in need of a quiet space to reset, you've come to the right place. This moment is for you. Let's begin by settling in. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair, resting on the floor, or lying down. Let your arms rest gently at your sides or in your lap. And when you feel ready, softly close your eyes. Now take a deep, gentle breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. And exhale slowly, feeling your body begin to soften. One more time, inhale and exhale. Feel your shoulders begin to drop. Feel your jaw release. Let the muscles in your face relax. Allow the tension you've been holding to slowly begin to melt away. Now simply notice your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe. Notice the sensation of the air entering through your nose and gently leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, your belly. Let your breath be your anchor. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. It's natural. When you notice it happening, gently guide your attention back to your breath. No judgment, no frustration. Just a soft return to this moment. Now bring your awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head. Bring attention to your forehead, soften it. Relax your eyebrows, your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Feel your neck and shoulders. Invite them to relax. Let your arms grow heavy and still. Bring your focus to your chest, your heart space. Feel it rise and fall with your breath. Move down to your stomach. Let it soften. Let go of any tension you're holding there. Feel your hips, your thighs. Relax your knees, your calves, your feet, and finally your toes. Your whole body is here, present, supported, safe. Now, gently bring your awareness to the anxiety itself. Where do you feel it? Is it a tightness in your chest, a buzzing in your thoughts, a restless energy in your limbs? Whatever it is, don't resist it. Just observe it. Say to yourself, this feeling is here, but it is not who I am. Anxiety is just a visitor. It's not permanent. It comes and it goes. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Picture the anxiety like a cloud drifting across the sky. You are the sky, vast, open, and untouched. Let the feeling pass through without holding on to it. Let's now repeat some gentle affirmations, silently in your mind or out loud if you prefer. I am safe. I am grounded. I am present. I am calm. Let those words sink in. Let them become part of your breath, part of your energy, part of your truth. Now return your focus to your breath. Feel its steady rhythm. You're calm within the storm. Inhale and exhale. With each breath, remind yourself that you are strong. You are resilient. And you are never alone. Whatever you're facing today, you're already taking a powerful step right now by choosing stillness, choosing care, choosing you. Take one more deep breath in, hold it gently, and slowly exhale. Now bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if you'd like. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. If this helped bring even a moment of calm, consider sharing it with someone else who might need it too. And always remember, you are not your anxiety. You are grounded. You are strong. You are enough.